any lovely big supermarket. You can also decorate it. When you're done, you can do your whipped cream on it and add your hazelnut nut itself. You know, just like you have a hazelnut, you have pecan nut, you have what are those nuts? After that, you now decorate with your hazelnut. So this is already mixed whipped cream. If you don't know how to mix whipped cream, you have different types of whipped cream. You have the powdery Vision type and you have the liquid type they sell in supermarkets. Alright, so you can buy the Vision one. The recipe is at the back on how to use it. The other one, the liquid milk one, the one that looks like milk, that one, all you need to do is mix. Okay, so here, milk hazelnut. This is chocolate hazelnut spread. Any one you want to use. Okay, so I will do this. This cake is heavenly. So you spread your hazelnuts. Spread. I remember when I was doing the video of the one I was doing, after I cut it, I said, So it's a lovely spread, no stress. Okay, so you just spread it. Of course, make sure you do all the leveling and all that before you start going into this. So I take the other one, the second layer. You can see, so this is what we did. Just like we did in those parts, we baked it separate. So you can see it's so soft, very soft. Okay, so I will place this on top. Okay, so any opening I have, of course, because I didn't level it, so I can just put some hazelnuts at the So I'm just trying to cover up So now I don't have enough whipped cream to pipe. But if for example I actually did it like this, I would just pipe some top. Just the top side. So this is an automatic dessert ready for a party. Okay, so help me. Okay, that's okay. Piping on top. Okay. Okay, so on this side, if I had enough, so I'll just do the front side for photography. So I'll just do rosettes. Just something like that. I want to make streaks of what's it called? Streaks of hazelnut. The hazelnut spread. So I just a little like that. Okay. All right. Okay, I think that's about it. Just to give it some swag. Okay, so that's the end of our class.